it is currently 8:24 a.m. and I always get on here and be like, oh, I don't want to do weekend of life, whatever, but I'm never consistent doing them. But I don't know, I be trying to do, I don't really be like, I don't know, when I be saying I'm gonna be consistent, I don't know, because it's not really my main channel, so this kind of like a, you feel me, like a whatever, just here and there, you know. But yeah, I want to start doing weekend of life. So today is Thursday, it's April, I have no fucking clue. It's April, I don't know, but it's hot as fuck. It's April 7th, and today, so it's Thursday, so I guess I'm gonna end this, what is 7 days from Thursday? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, oh, my dumb ass, Thursday. So boom, yeah. The first thing I'm gonna be doing today is, right now I'm on the way to Kane's haircut appointment. Here he is in the back. Say hey. Yeah. And then my mom told me to get an oil change. I'm not even sure how long that's gonna take. Get some air put in the tire. The tire got a hole in it, so it be needing air put in there like fucking every day, and it's hot as fuck. I got the heat on. Yeah, while Kane is getting his haircut, I'll probably get some food, go to the oil change place, get some air put in the tire, and then I gotta run to Walmart, and that's gonna be that for that. Yeah, that's gonna be that after he gets his haircut. And I was thinking about trying to put a wig, like trying to install a wig, but I ain't never did that before. Well, I tried and it was like fucked up, but I ain't really tried for real. Like I was just kind of like, let me love you slow. Hey Siri, play Love Is Dro by Jack Harlow.
Here's Love Is Dro by Jack Harlow.
That shit gonna fall. Turn right. But yeah, I've been saying I'm gonna be vegan. I say that every week of every year, but yeah, this whole week I've been eating whatever the fuck. I've been eating ground beef, cheese, sour cream, chicken, McDonald's, like, oh my god. Vegan, who, when, where? Who, when, how you did it, when you did it. Oh shit. How I get this on the say hi. Oh, I don't like how that look though. Hey Siri, play BPW by Jasmine Sullivan. Pussy in
Now
the
playing BPW by Jasmine Sullivan.
And I don't just want your heart, I want your soul. Sit. Sit. Hey. Your hair's so pretty.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Cool. Should I just text him when I'm done? You can
text me. I have your number. I'll text you. Okay. Cool. Perfect. Is she around me? Okay. Hey Google. Hey Siri. Get directions to express oil change.
One option is express oil change and tire engineers. Do you want that one?
Yeah.
Getting directions to express oil change and tire engineers.
And I don't just want your heart. No, actually, what time is it? Oh, you guys are definitely now. Get directions to Chick-fil-A. And that's gonna be it.
Alright. And would you like any sauce for your hash browns?
Yeah.
That'll be $8.45. We'll be happy to serve you at the window.
Okay. Why is it so dark? And what the hell? It's raining? Oh, I'm tripping because it's sunny. But I hear raindrops. And I see raindrops. Tell me you ain't never felt so good. Aaliyah?
Chicken bowl meal with the
bowl
with strawberry?
Yeah.
Alright, it'll be $8.45. Alright, have a great day. Thank you. My pleasure.
Nah, because
Getting directions to express oil change and tire engineers.
do I get out of here? This shit just too good to let go. Even though we ain't official, you know I ain't. And then her hair was probably like the undercut shit. I don't know if she was in the camera or not. But I've been thinking about cutting my hair like that for, and I'm finna do that shit. Or either shave the side off. But it's gonna look better now because I got more hair, you feel me? So, you know. And just hey. Yeah.
Grab that sticker.
Act accordingly, even though we work. Dumbass. Ain't official. You know I know.
Alright, you guys set it off, pop it up.
Where is the hood?
Excuse me, is it a push to start or a key?
A key.
Alright, can you do 2 clicks into the ignition without cranking it for me?
Gotcha, bitch!
I just need to see the mileage. 72761. Thank you, ma'am. Doctor's been doing good for you lately, ma'am?
Yeah.
Alright, so far so good. So your tires are pretty weird right now. So you got one mismatched tire out of all of them right here. It's the lowest out of all of them. Just letting you know it's getting low on tread. Probably need to press that here eventually, right? The belt nose look pretty good. Just topped off the washer fluid, and then I topped off the coolant reservoir. The brake reservoir looked pretty good. Belt nose look like doing good, and then just also another recommendation: the air filter. Alright, and is there a maintenance light that says change the oil, reset, something like that? You don't know? Alright, I'm gonna try to find out, okay? Real quick, I'm just gonna look through this. Alright, so that should go off for you. That one back tire was definitely low. Top that off. Top that off for you, so that should go off and rotate. Okay, no, so we're gonna reset that. Are you a vlogger?
Yeah.
Okay. You got your own YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Was working out for you?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
That was my childhood dream when I was growing up, like when I was 14, 15. Like,
Why'd you stop?
Well, because, I mean, at the time when I was younger, I didn't have, like, internet, but, like, I love games and stuff, you know what I mean? So I was so good at them, and then just never got internet and grew up out of it.
Well, you should start back.
I could, but, you know, it requires a lot of time, and this is 55 hours here working.
Oh,
a week,
no.
You know what I mean? So I basically got no life. This is my life.
You can vlog here.
I could.
You can do TikTok.
I know I could, but it's just like the self-confidence of, you know, just acting normal on camera and then posting it, you know what I mean? You obviously been through it. You don't care. You got the camera posted right here. I'm a little camera shy. So
Wait, how old are you?
I'm 20.
Okay, what's your zodiac sign?
It's Leo.
Leo? Okay.
Scorpio gang.
I'm weak. Scorpio.
What?
Sagittarius.
Okay. Alright, now, so real quick.
Wait, what high school did you go to?
So I'm not really from here. I'm from Georgia.
Oh, okay.
But I moved here during high school. So I went to high school in Jefferson.
And where, Jemison?
Yeah.
I don't even know that.
You don't know where that's at?
Not for real.
Alright, you know where Claire's at?
No. Who?
Out Calera.
Oh, yeah, I heard of that.
Right past Calera.
Oh, okay.
Going towards Montgomery. This isn't in the middle of nowhere, so I'm pretty sure if you're from Birmingham or something like that, you would know about it.
I was born in Georgia, but I moved here when I was like 9 months, so yeah.
What part of Georgia?
I think Norcross.
Okay. I'm from, I don't know if you know, but it's right beside Covington, Georgia. You know what Covington is?
No.
Have you ever watched Vampire Diaries?
No.
Have you ever heard of Vampire Diaries?
Yeah.
Well, anyways, that's where they shot and filmed it at. That town.
Okay. Yeah, I only know Atlanta.
You said what?
I only know Atlanta.
Yeah, it's close to Atlanta. It's very close. Have you ever been to Stone Mountain? Never been to Stone Mountain?
I don't even know what that is.
It's in Atlanta. It's a big rock. They got craters on it. Big laser shows like you're talking about. That's why it's a super big rock. Like, so what do you actually do about it? Hey, she's a vlogger. What's your YouTube channel?
Y'all gonna write it down? It's Blasian Girl Leah.
Hey, get him. Yeah, there you go. You just vlog about your life, or do you actually do stuff like?
So I have 2 channels. On the first one, I go out and like ask people like questions like, what's your zodiac sign, stuff like that. And then on my other channel, I just be posting whatever, like whatever.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
You ever heard of that? I don't know if you heard of, what's his name? Jay All Day? You never heard of him? He's funny, like he's going to Walmart, he's doing, I don't know. He's kind of messed up though.
Yeah, you need to start back.
I know. I'd watch you, Justin. I know you would. I know you got me. I already laughed my ass off before watching him. That's just fucked up. You have more than 100 followers?
Yeah, I got 5,000.
God dang. Hey, you are doing good. And then you need to go ahead. I'm going to subscribe just to give you a little support, okay? I mean, I know it ain't a lot, but out of following. And then don't mind the dirty phone. I had freaking candy in my pocket.
I spelled that shit.
That's you?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, you take care now, okay?
Okay.
For the rest of your day.
Okay. Just vlogging today. Yeah.
Take care. Have a good one, alright?
Okay, bye. Walmart near me. Yeah, so I'm at the bank. My mom told me to like deposit something to verify an account, but it's like she said I need to go inside because it's like I gotta deposit less than $1, but the way it's set up, it's like they're all ATMs, and I was just gonna go like through the drive-through and deposit it through like the drive-through, because you can do coins in like the, you feel me, the drive-through slot. But they ain't even got it. It's like each drive-through thing is a ATM, and I gotta take a shit, and I gotta pick Kane up by 12, so I'm finna go home real quick and take a shit and then pick him up, and I guess go back and go to the bank after I pick him up. But I wanted to get him a pup cup and get my dogs a pup cup and clean them, so when I get back they could play while I'm cleaning up. Now I don't even gotta poop no more. Stupid. I ate some spicy shit. I should have never did that. I could just go straight. Oh. I could just go straight. And I don't just want your heart, I want your soul. Okay, so boom. The tag. Okay, I just got pulled over, right? I got 2 tickets. Can I show these on camera? I don't know. And even though we ain't official, you know I ain't no regular girl. But yeah, I got 2 tickets. My license is suspended from dropping out of high school when I was 18, and you know you can get it renewed when you're 19. I'm 19. I'll be 20 this year, but I just haven't got it renewed. And then on top of that, the tag on this car is expired. And then on top of that, we don't have insurance. So yeah, I got 2 tickets. They was like, I'm gonna cut you some slack, I'm not gonna give you a ticket for the insurance. I'm like, okay, bada boom, bada bing. And they was like, I can't leave until my parents come pick up the car. If I do decide to leave, then I'm gonna get pulled over again, and I'm gonna get the car towed. I'm gonna get pulled over for what? I'm gonna get a ticket for insurance too. But it's like, I'm trying to think like, how they gonna pull me over again if I just drive home real quick? I'm not too far from home. I'm not. So how I'm gonna get pulled over if I just drive real quick home? What's gonna be the difference if my parents come and drive the car home? It's gonna be the same car, the same, no insurance. So would it really make a difference? And I was just about to go pick up Kane. I had to tell Devontae, I'm finna get on TikTok live.
Y'all know I really hate shopping online. Like, literally, I do not like shopping online. So if everything comes and don't look right, I'm gonna be mad. Because, like, this is my birthday. But I was
yes, I'm eating Chick-fil-A again.
These, like, black, I don't know if y'all can see me.
So to be honest, I forgot to vlog this whole day But I'm gonna just give y'all a rundown of what I lighted today. Boom. I cleaned my bath. I told y'all already what I was gonna do, but I didn't show y'all me doing it. So boom, clean the bathroom, clean my room, clean the carpet, took down my bed frame, whatever, because it was broke. Put my mattress on the floor. That's really all I did. And gave my dogs a bath. So I did a lot. I'm tired. I did my makeup. Got on TikTok live right now. I'm about to take it off and go to sleep, because I gotta wake up at like, I gotta leave the house at 6:30 a.m. I gotta wake up at like 5:45 so I can get ready, well, I'll probably feed my dogs when I get back home, take my dogs outside, and yeah, my belly ring fell out. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing right now, taking my makeup off and going to sleep after I pee. Let me let you slow. It's about empty, bro. I gotta really put my finger in there and squish it out. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my bonnet so my hair can be out the way. Should I leave my lashes on or no? Leave the braids out because they look cute like that, like boom, boom, boom. Let's see, because I gotta do my TikTok. Yeah, I'm making a day in a life TikTok too, so make sure y'all go watch my TikTok too. Yeah, cause my eyeliner don't know how glue or just let it dry, let it dry, let it. I don't even know where Diamond went. No, because we're going to sleep, bro. Say cheese. Cheese. Honestly, bro, I'm probably not doing nothing today. Look at my eyes. But yeah, well, I already did something for today. I went to my sister-in-law's house and I watched my nieces, and yeah, I barely slept last night. I slept like 1 hour and I'm not even sleepy right now, and my allergies acting up. Both of my eyes swollen. How amazing. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do nothing for the rest of the day, honestly. Sleep. I got Chick-fil-A. I ate Chick-fil-A. I ate chicken nuggets, fries. I ate, yeah, chicken nuggets and fries that I drank on Arnold Palmer. Probably finna take these jeans off because, yeah, and I'll probably edit, honestly. Truthfully, honestly, oh, I need to believe. Whoa.
Oh, this is my song. Don't play with me right now. This is my jam. What?
be honest, I just want to film this before my camera dies. Because I really be forgetting to film stuff. But I really don't be doing nothing the whole day. All I did today was do this wig. I did this closure wig for the first time. My first install. It's kind of right there, but I kind of bodied it, you feel me? But yeah, that's all I did today. I did that. Got on TikTok live, make TikToks. Tried to film for my second channel, but I ended up just talking for real on TikTok live and not getting that many clips. But I guess I'm gonna use the clips that I have, or either film some more tomorrow, because I want to make it at least 10 minutes long, because that's how YouTube works. It has to be 10 minutes long at least. I would prefer. Yeah, but I'm gonna add some clips from today of like what I did, so it won't just be like I didn't film today, which I didn't, because I be forgetting. But I'm gonna do better. Bye. I'm gonna charge my camera. Bye bye now. Oh my God, what happened to her? What's up? So it's the next day and I actually remembered to pick up my camera today. What's today? Tuesday, April the 12th. Right now, I just finished eating a little bit. I ain't really eat that much. Me French toast and eggs. I just fed my dogs, gave them water, took them outside, all that. Now I'm probably finna edit. I might get on TikTok live, and that's really probably all I'm gonna do my makeup and all that. I don't know how my wig look like. I don't know how the lace look on the second day, so I'm gonna take that off later and I'm gonna show y'all. And yeah, that's it for now, for real. I'm probably finna sit here and watch B. Simone podcast.
Juicy crab. I'm still bringing it up from this baby. She committee. That sauce. Ooh, that rice. You never had the rice. She got the rice, bruh.
Someone who knows all of your flaws, yeah. Doesn't impose, try to control them. Let you be free, doesn't deceive. They give you a chance to believe in something. Is that too much? I've been on a search and I'm losing my hope. Is that too much? Is that too much? Trying to find love in a world so cold up.
lot of time later. And I don't even know what. I don't even know what happened to this vlog. Cause I thought I did an update at least every day to say like, oh, what? Cause I was forgetting to vlog like every day. I'ma do better. I think I'm going to Florida next week. So that's gonna be. It's not gonna be a week though. It's gonna be like a 3-day. But yeah, I don't know what happened. But if you guys made it to this point in the video, I want you guys to first of all subscribe to my main channel where I post the content of Kaboom. And then if you made it here, drop the word diamond or drop a diamond emoji down below in the comment section. Diamond, say drop a diamond. Say look. Say drop a diamond for me because my name is Diamond. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like. Tell them, look. Tell them. Look. Make sure you like. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave video suggestions down below. Love you guys. Bye.